What's up, you guys? Your girl Nicole, and I'm back with another vlog. So this vlog is gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be better quality. I know that because I'm doing it on my Canon, and I actually really like this. So I did my makeup. I just filmed a video, and I'm just trying to get my channel to be back up and just like booming, you know. Here's my baby. She wanted to say hi. She's tired. Yeah. She's like the most relaxed one out of all of them. That's Lucky you here running around, and Charm. 3 dogs. 3. I wanted to come and cook. It is 11:05. I uploaded a video. If you haven't seen the video, go and check it out. I did a perfume tray, and before that I did my empties video. I thought about recording my makeup, like recording me doing my makeup, but I just never did. Cause I started off talking to the bestie while I did my makeup, and then what happened? Then she had to get off the phone, and right now I'm really hungry, Well, I could probably do without a meal, but I'm just kind of hungry. So what I'm gonna do is, gotta wash these hands because I was just touching the baby. And then I'm gonna come back and make me some food. All right, y'all just see me chow down on my food because it was so good. Okay, so let's talk about it. I'm in my office now. So the meal that I ate, right? Cabbage soup. Supposed to be doing a detox, a cleanse, you know, like just to cleanse yourself. So detox. So cabbage soup is supposed to be all that you eat, right? But I've been working out, and I work out like every day. And when I work out every day, I burn about let me see. I burn about 1,000 calories. So me coming from a person who used to binge eat, I don't want to restrict myself to only eating soup. And I'm not going to binge eat soup. Like, I have other things here that I could just, but if I'm going to have breakfast, that's why I just ate it with the eggs and a little bit of bacon, because I couldn't resist, okay? It is what it is. So normally for dinner, I'll make a bigger bowl of soup, and I'll try and resist whatever hubby's eating. Yesterday, I kind of didn't eat cabbage soup, but it's okay. It's baby steps. But I've been working out. I've been doing good. I've been eating, like I haven't been binge eating. You guys probably don't know, but I did and do suffer, not suffer because I ain't suffering. I just like to binge eat. It just feels better than eating regular. So yeah, actually that was regular for me at one point, which was eating whatever I wanted. So what is that behind me? Oh, it's a light. Okay. So right now I already recorded a video. I was gonna put out some like Valentine's Day scent type videos, but I want to sit down and like really think about it. Like, think about the notes. Think about how it smells. Think about how it makes me feel. You know, what about me? So that's what I want to do as far as like the scents go. I don't really just want to like, here, take this. That smells good. Here. I don't want to do that. You know, I want to actually put my thought into it. And I'm on nobody else's timeline but my own. So a lot of these is just scents from what I already had. I already did a review on it left. I don't know where it went. I got a lot of stuff and I need to clean up, but I already did a review on the Sweetheart Cherry, and I think that's gonna be really good. One thing for me as far as like uploading my videos, it's been really hard for me to it's really hard for me to not look at my views as my self-worth or the worthiness of what I have to bring to the platform. So that's been kind of hard. I've been thinking about doing like makeup videos. I don't know how to get my makeup to stay. Comes like it's on my glasses. Like, jeez. What's the point in getting a setting spray if it's not gonna set? Like, comment down below, let me know if I'm doing it wrong. I need to watch more makeup videos, but I got most of it down packed. Like, it's not like my first day wearing makeup. It's not day one, but I want it to be like really cute. I want to be able to do my makeup in like 2 seconds. And the only way that I could do that is if I keep doing my makeup. So you guys already seen, if you didn't see my haul video, go ahead and watch my haul video after you watch this video. And I had bought, got makeup all over it, this It Cosmetics CC cream, and this has been really good. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know. Here we go, the CC cream, and this is in Neutral Deep. I tried it on at the store. I matched myself, and I think it came out really good. And to set, so anyways, this is not a makeup tutorial, but I use the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I don't like that this isn't that old and it's already separating. I think I have a lighter one. I just need to find it. Another thing I need to do is get all my makeup in order, all that stuff in check, and figure out my life. I have a lot of makeup. I have a lot of like high-end makeup or like medium-end makeup. And anyways, I set this with the Laura Mercier Honey Star. And this is so good. Like, it's so good. So I've been doing, you know, the girly things. You know, I've been doing a lot more with myself. I'm taking better care of myself. I've been doing the little 2-strand twist. So the reason why I have this is because I'm on my natural hair journey. So if you guys been on my channel long enough, you remember I used to have my sides just not buzzed off, but like shaved off. I had the line up. I had it faded. It was cute. I stopped doing that as of like August. And so it's kind of growing back, and I like that my hair, it just covers it and you can't really tell. So if you watch my vlogs, it'll be a behind the scenes of what's really going on. Like, what's going on under. About me, I guess. Trying to do more videos. Comment down below, let me know if there's anything you would like to see. I want to do more vlogs. I'm not gonna lie, I don't go nowhere. I be home. I like it here. As soon as you walk out, you're spending money when you go outside. I like to cook. I'm in the process right now of using my products, and I'm on a low buy. I'm on a low buy. That's my puppy. He barks when the wind blows, so it doesn't even matter. I'm really, really good, and I guess I could document that, like the things that I want to buy. I just be on here just scrolling sometimes. But look I got all those products there. I got all these products here. I got body sprays over there. I got more products over here. And I probably should go through my hair care products because some of them are probably expired. Right now, I'm really kind of just gonna reorganize my stuff, because you already know if you make videos, in the process of making a video, it looks crazy. It does. It looks nuts. I got my makeup caddy here that's open. I got my body sprays here that I'm gonna sit down and write about. The reason why I didn't really do my makeup before is because I didn't know where it was. Like, my makeup was everywhere. But now I know I put them there. I got my setting, or my primers. I got a lot of primers that I need to use, which means I need to do my makeup often. So I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, and just, I love watching people and the way they put things, because like it makes me kind of inspired. It kind of opens my mind for different things that I could do at different places. So this area with all my perfumes and such, and there I got space. I just have a lot of stuff. And so that kind of gets me overwhelmed. But this has all my perfumes here, right? Perfumes, my little perfume caddy, which I took some things off here and I put it on my perfumes that I want to use up. Now, I also have these acrylic storage tubs. And I was thinking, what if I put them on top of here and then put the perfumes on top of them? Because I'm like, there's got to be a better way that I could do this. Because I have like this over here and it's just like taking up space. And I don't have a lot of, like, you have to optimize your space. So my battery's about to die, but this is what I'm working with. Got my perfumes here. Well, I can move you over. I got my perfumes here, my travel size here, my little spinny thing here. And then if you look a further, little bit down, I got my lotions, some lotions and some sprays here. And then this is like my spa, like, well, this is some eyelashes, but I got some bath green tea. I got this from Nectar, which I got as a gift. I got this replica set as a gift. So this is kind of just like some knick-knack, patty wax, stuff like that. This foot mask that I'm probably gonna do. I was looking for this lip gloss. And then this is all of my lotions, majority of them. These are all of my bar soaps. I have narrowed them down significantly because I had so many. And then down here, I just need to organize. But I feel like for now, I'm gonna have to move my candle and put it on the other side. But this optimized so much space for me. I had 4 of these, but I'm just gonna take one of them and put them in my room. And it'll be like my little essentials box. But anyways, my battery's about to die, so I'll see y'all in a minute.